Folks, it is not too late if you thought that you missed the boat of low mortgage rates to be able to purchase a home. The fact is that in Salt Lake County alone, there are more than 56,000 potential sellers who can be your bank rather than looking for a bank, a credit union, a mortgage broker, a mortgage banker, or even mom and dad for that matters. We are willing to give away the information for the list of who these people are, depending on the area that you live in and you want the information. We'll also provide you with the document set, which are the state-approved documents for the state of Utah on two different types of seller finance transactions. These are documents that you can use yourself in any situation if you find a seller that wants to be your bank. And in addition to that, we'll also provide a free coaching session on how to structure a transaction for your success so that ultimately you want to have the right to be able to sell that home, to refinance the home, or to pay it off early if the circumstances provide. Provide us with just an email address and let us know what area you want this information in, and we will send the documents to you free of charge. Thanks for coming into thecreditjungle.com. This is George Anderson, and I hope to talk to you soon. Thanks.
George of the jungle, strong as he can be.